This tutorial is going to describe how to import a source into our project. So we're going to open up our sample, which is 19th century example 2, 19th century women example 2. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go over to navigate over next to the dashboard to sources. And you can see that we don't have any here. We also have my project page open with all of my databases. And I'm going to select the U.S. History database. And then I will just put in Maria Mitchell's name. And again, this is just a sample of how this works. And so we have all of our results here. We'll talk a little bit more in depth about our databases later, but I just wanted to show you how to import the source just so that you would know how to do this. So I'm going to navigate down to the biographies, and I sort of previewed some of these before, so I'm going to open the biographies section up and choose one that I really preferred. This notable women scientist. So I'm going to select that. And again, we're going to assume that I read it over. There's lots of things that I have to, we like to point out on the databases to use them as tools. But right now, I want to show you very quickly how to import the citation. So I'm going to go up here to where it says Cite. So I'm going to select that, and it automatically defaults to MLA, but we want, in this case, we want Chicago. And it gives us a chance here to select it, but rather than that, we're going to go to Export to Noodletools. So I'm going to select that. It gives us a new screen that gives us the citation right here in the correct format, but we can also go down to the bottom and choose to import it, and it automatically sees that we've created this project. So we're going to say, yes, we want to import it right into that project. And it tells us right away that with this green line that it's already been imported. If we go back to our Noodletools page, looks like we don't have anything there, so we just refresh the page, and here it is. And that is pretty much how you do it.